Welcome to BookBugs AADVIK.
Hello everyone. It is the month of February and every February it is Black History Month. So I'm going to name some of the Black American heroes. So let's get started.
Benjamin Banneker. Benjamin Banneker was a genius in the fields of mathematics, astronomy, and invention. His numerous accomplishments included making the first working clock in America, publishing a scientific almanac, and helping survey the land that was to become Washington, D.C. Sojourner Truth courageously traveled the country speaking out against slavery. Her intelligence and dramatic presentation style quickly gained her fame as a compelling and convincing speaker for the rights of Black Americans. Frederick A. Douglass. Frederick A. Douglass was an abolitionist. That means he was a man who was against slavery. His first-hand knowledge of what it was like to be a slave and his tremendous skill as a public speaker made him the most influential spokesman for Black Americans of his time. Harriet Tubman. Harriet Tubman was known as the masters of her people. Her courage and amazing knowledge of geography led her to establish the Underground Railroad, a series of safe homes along the road from the south to freedom in the north. She led more than 300 people to freedom, repeatedly risking her own life for others. Paul Laurence Dunbar. Paul Laurence Dunbar has been called the poet of his people. By writing poetry in Black dialect, he showed the great beauty to be found in this form of speech. Granville T. Woods. Granville T. Woods was an inventor who held more than 45 patents. One of his most important inventions was for a system of communications to be installed in trains so that they could communicate their locations in order to avoid colliding. George Washington Carver. George Washington Carver was a scientist of phenomenal creativity and genius. Perhaps the most famous among his enormous number of contributions to the scientific world of agriculture is his discovery about hundreds of new uses for the peanut. Matthew A. Henson. Matthew A. Henson was an explorer and the first man to actually arrive and stand on the North Pole. Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr., a minister and the most influential civil rights leader of modern history, wanted a country where people of all colors lived together as brothers and sisters.
Now let's make a craft to celebrate Black History Month. I'm going to make timeline of Black American heroes. So what you will need is some colored paper, markers, scissors, paper clips. So let's get started. I'm going to use this special alligator scissors. You can also use the normal scissors too. In the same way, you have to cut 8 to 10 circles like this. Make 2 holes in the circle like this. Making the holes done, making holes in all my circles. Then after that, write the name of a famous Black American on each circle. Write down the dates of their birth and death so you will know when they lived in history. Making all the timelines. Now let's connect it with paper clips. Now I am ready with my craft. Hope you enjoy it. Don't Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.